Welcome to Bike Shift, where we bring you the latest updates, reviews, and insights from the world of two-wheelers. Today's video takes a closer look at the 2026 Bajaj Discover 125, a commuter motorcycle that continues to evolve while staying true to its legacy of efficiency, comfort, and reliability. The 2026 Bajaj Discover 125 marks a significant step forward for Bajaj's commuter lineup. Known for its smooth performance and excellent mileage, the Discover series has been a favorite among daily riders for more than a decade. The 2026 model refines that winning formula with improved design, updated technology, and an engine tuned for both city agility and economical long-distance travel. Bajaj has given the 2026 Discover 125 a refreshed appearance, blending sleek lines with a more muscular stance. The sharper tank extensions, updated body graphics, and wider seat enhance its commuter personality while adding a touch of sportiness. The LED DRL strip, redesigned headlamp unit, and premium tail section styling contribute to a modern look that stands out in daily traffic. Powering the bike is a 125 cubic centimeters DTSI engine, tuned to deliver smoother acceleration and higher fuel efficiency. Bajaj has optimized the combustion system, resulting in a more refined throttle response and improved low-end torque, perfect for navigating crowded city roads. With better thermal management and reduced vibrations, the Discover 125 continues to offer a comfortable riding experience even on longer trips. Mileage has always been the Discover's strongest point, and the 2026 version enhances that reputation further. Riders can expect excellent fuel economy, making it ideal for daily commuting. The suspension setup, with telescopic forks at the front and adjustable shocks at the rear, ensures a smooth ride over rough patches and speed breakers. The ergonomic seating position, wider seat, and improved cushioning provide all-day riding comfort. The 2026 Discover 125 receives several useful upgrades. A semi-digital instrument cluster offers essential information like speed, trip meter, fuel levels, and mileage readouts. Bajaj has improved the switchgear quality and added convenient features like an integrated USB charging port. The braking setup includes front disc and rear drum options, supported by CBS for safer stopping. This new model stands out because it stays true to what riders love: reliability, affordability, and efficiency, while adding the modern features expected in 2026. It is designed for students, office workers, delivery riders, and anyone who needs a dependable motorcycle that delivers day after day without costing much to maintain. The 2026 Bajaj Discover 125 is a strong reminder of why the Discover lineup remains popular. It is practical, efficient, comfortable, and now more stylish and tech-friendly than ever. For anyone looking for a trustworthy commuter that blends performance with economy, this may be the perfect choice. Thank you for watching Bike Shift. Stay tuned for more updates on upcoming bikes.